Hello everybody, today we're going to be learning about how ultrasound scans and MRI scans and CT scans work. I hope you enjoy. MRI scans. MRI scans are created by this machine called an MRI machine. And these are created using magnetic fields. So unlike X-rays or CT scans, there is no powerful radiation that's used onto the person. Also, this is what an MRI machine looks like. How do MRI scans work? The MRI machine creates a large magnetic field using the electrified coil around the person inside. This magnetic field is then used to realign the protons of the atoms with the magnetic field. So for example, this proton will then get realigned like so. Basically then after that, a radio frequency wave is then used to make the proton strain and spin out of equilibrium. This will create energy, and this energy will then be measured using the MRI sensors. We'll now go on to ultrasound scans. Ultrasound scans work using a device called a transducer. This device will create ultrasound waves caused by electrical signals. So for example, this is a transducer, and it will take in electrical signals and it will create it into ultrasound waves. And then you can use it to look at organs, or of course the most popular way is to look at unborn babies. And basically what this happens is the sound will pass through the skin and it will bounce off of the organs, and this ultrasound waves will then echo back into the device and turn back into electrical signals going the other way around. This will then create pictures that we can actually see inside the body. Finally, we're also going to be learning about CT scans. CT scans are both 2D and 3D depending on what you're going to be using them for. CT scans are basically just normal X-rays, except that they scan in a 360 degree of motion, meaning that they can create digital 3D cross-sections of the human body. Like, for example, this pelvis over here. And this is what a CT scan looks like. It looks a lot like the MRI scanner, except instead of being a full tube, it's just more like a donut. And this is how it works. You have this X-ray camera, and basically what this is going to do is it's going to send out X-rays. And it's actually going to go throughout the body, and it's going to rotate around the body like so. And this is going to do it all along the body, creating this 360 degree of motion, making these 360 degree cross sections of the human body. Then basically what we can do is we can digitally place them over each other to create 3D sections. Goodbye, and I hope you subscribe and like this video.